Hi there, my name is Fredrik Eklund and welcome to Sunset Noir in Holmby Hills. This 13,000 square foot compound on 3 levels sits on half an acre with 32 feet high ceilings in here, a waterfall, and it's so dramatic because you enter and you sort of leave the city behind you and you enter this. Incredible. We walk in here to the kitchen and I want you to note right away it feels warm with the beautiful oak fumed floors. Camera down, show me, there you go, look at that, it's just absolutely perfect. One of my favorite things in this kitchen is actually this oven, which is Wi-Fi controlled. This piece too is custom for this house. This Mercury stove only exists in this house and I love these sort of gold accents. When you're done cooking, you want to serve the food, you have a lot of options. This big island, people can sit around. You can even do a breakfast area over there. But what I would do is to sort of serve the food here or actually pass it through to the dining area. For me, the kitchen is really the heart of the home. This is where you live. What's so great about this house is that it has so many different areas. Like you eat over there and then maybe after dinner you retract in front of the fireplace. And then little details like this makes the house so different. Look at this. This is an Israeli artist and she bends these right before they solidifies these beautiful metal tiles. And then she's inserted lights in there. So you're coming down here to the lower level, which has the movie cinema, the gym, the dog spa. But there's nothing lower about it, as in it's not a basement, because you have 32-foot ceilings here, you have natural light, and it's a happy place to entertain. Guys, look at this bar. I mean, who's equipped like this? This is actually a beer tap where you can put lemonade in it. And after you have some unhealthy liquids here, you gotta work it off in the gym. I love this gym because it's fully equipped. It has a lot of mill work. I said full ask, no negotiation, none, not even 1 cent, okay? Guys, how cool is this? And you know what? All of the movie going is now in the house. And guys, how cool is this? Look. So you still have this amazing light strip that goes through. Guys, there's a new episode of NBC Open House now that I'm gonna watch. Oh my God, Fredrik is so crazy. Now, let's go and check out the primary suite. Oh, you're here. This closet is so large that I can actually dance in here. And look at this. If you like to play superheroes like I do, you can kind of pretend that you're like Batman or something.
I am Fredrik. Save the world, at least the real estate market.
And when you're done playing around, you go to the bathroom to make yourself beautiful. So you're in this incredibly large, probably one of the largest primary bathrooms I've seen. You have this beautiful light, there are also floors. Then you come to this tub, steel, cast iron, and then it's 600 pounds. Can you imagine getting this thing in here with some of these bronze and gold accents? And then you have this beautiful tile, hand painted actually from Spain, from an artist. But look at this, I feel like I'm coming to Aspen or something. Look at this slanted ceiling with the beautiful steel black beams. The light is incredible. It is so pin drop quiet. And then you have this incredible sort of fireplace. This lava stone is actually from Vesuvio, the volcano. And then the views. We haven't really talked about them, but you have these beautiful views of Century City, LA, and all this warm wood. But most importantly, you're looking down at your own yard. Let's actually go down there. And now I saved the best for last. Look at this, guys. The privacy. You can't see anything or anyone. All you hear are birds, the water in the pool, and here you sit and you watch a great movie. Now, the pool is so great for families. Your guests can actually swim up to this sunken bar. Wow. But you know, what I love most about this house is the exterior. It's so sexy, it's still warm with all the wood, and it's so calming to me. So that concludes my tour today of Sunset Noir. See you guys. I gotta start cooking now. I have some guests coming over. Bye-bye. Thank you.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?